Hello there, and welcome back. Are you ready to try something very different than anything you've done in the past? Then stay tuned. The challenge is to go fully raw for an entire week. This means you will eat only raw fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, berries, and melons for 7 days. And oh yes, no cheating, no cooked foods, processed foods, and for sure, no fast food drive-through junkie junk. Can you do it? Before we dive in, now is the perfect time to like, comment, and subscribe. And why not give the notification bell a little love too? When you turn on notifications, you are one of the first to know when a new raw lifestyle video is uploaded to the channel. Okay, so how do we take on this challenge? Easy, cold turkey. Yep, that's right. Just dive in and do it. Simply go all in for one complete week. Do you always feel tired and sluggish throughout the day? Do you live on fast foods and cooked, fried, and processed foods? If you do, it should be of little surprise that you're feeling this way. Your diet is probably not doing you any favors, right? So look, eating foods loaded with refined sugar, salt, grease, and preservatives can only do one thing: make you feel like crappy all day long. The raw vegan diet is arguably one of the healthiest, most nutritious, and best ways to resist disease and live longer. It's proven and does work. Ever hear about the raw lady from Miami? Check her out in the link in the description below and cast all your doubts aside about what raw does for your life. A quick refresher here. When you eat raw foods, you are literally flooding the internal organs and skin with living, undamaged vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants, as well as busy little active probiotics. The advantages of this to human physiology is truly massive in scope. First off, when you begin the week, start by keeping a log of what you eat throughout the day. This will keep you on track. Start by making your breakfast a full-on fruit feast. Take your pick: bananas, fresh ripe melons, papaya, a big bowl of berries. Oh, and fill her up, eat a lot. It's okay, go ahead. Because when you do the raw thing, you can do that, you know. No limits, no counting calories, and no restrictions. Period. A raw foods lifestyle means just eat until you feel it's enough. And by the way, snacking between meals is fine too. Just keep it raw. Yeah, it's all good when it comes to raw. The best way to get through the week is to frequently vary your raw foods. So, for example, for lunch, try slicing up some organic fresh ripe avocados. A little salt and pepper go a long way. Try adding a raw hot sauce from Hawaii. Link in the description below. Add some sprouted sunflower seeds for crunchy texture. Get creative, add some raw chips. Link in the description. Have fun with it. Here's a good tip. Try focusing on the raw foods that you have always enjoyed eating over the years. Watermelons, bananas, mangoes, carrots, etc. Variety is the real game changer here. Variety keeps it fun and interesting. Hey, it's no lie, around day 3, you are going to be massively craving some chicken wings and fries and a soda. It's the grease, salt, and sugar, your old friends calling you back. Don't fall for it. Be strong. For dinner, find the biggest bowl in your kitchen and build a monster salad. Lettuces of your choice, slice onions, sprouts, cucumbers, and cashews or walnuts. Make it big. Add fresh squeezed lemon juice or some apple cider vinegar as a good raw dressing alternative. Salt and pepper to taste and dig in. Can you say delicioso? Also, search for local raw food restaurants in your area. They are out there. If you live in an average-sized city, you will likely find one. While they can be pricey, it's sure nice to occasionally let someone else do the food preparing. As in not cooking, that is. And by the way, the raw restaurant desserts are to die for. Try it. You may just want to become a regular. See a link in the description below for a popular raw restaurant in Los Angeles, for example. Hanging with your friends during the week? Well, guess what? They are likely eating cooked and packaged foods. But no problem, just be ready to exercise superhuman willpower. Hey, seriously, you got this. You can do it. And remember, we live in a world where we are constantly surrounded by easy access to cooked, processed, and fast foods. Up until now, powerful marketing signals have driven your food choices. If you decide to, you can change all that. We all agree that this is a world that runs on food conveniences, not good nutrition. When you go raw, you are now a fish swimming upstream against the current, and that's okay. Sometimes maintaining a stance of defiance, well, it feels good. Run raw for a week and compare the way you feel before and after. You're in for a surprise. Added energy, enhanced mental process, greater creativity, and wow, your skin is finally all cleared up. How did that all happen, you ask? Well, it's the food. It's always been the food. What did you learn about yourself by doing the raw food challenge for a week? Tell us in the comments below. Did it get you thinking that what you put into your body makes a big difference? Was it worth the effort? Would you do it again? Your comments create engaging health conversations. Finally, if after this life-changing week you are still not ready to go fully raw, that's okay. Instead, why not try being a raw only at breakfast and lunch every day, and save the pizza and ice cream for dinner? This is still 66% raw. Not too bad, really, from a nutritional perspective. Your health benefits greatly. And if you decide to go fully raw, then watch our video linked below on how your body changes over the long term on our raw vegan diet. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the challenge, and see you again next time.